Hi! In front of me is Nokia C12, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. First of all, you need to find an app called Files. When you find it, click on it. Now click on Browse at the bottom in the middle and choose Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. If you wish to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!